Are you tired of spending your weekends scrubbing and sweeping? Do you wish you had more time for the things you love? Well, you're in luck. Welcome to Discover the Best Cleaners Near Me, where we connect you with your local cleaning experts who can transform your space into a spotless haven. Life can get messy, and keeping up with household chores can be a daunting task. But fear not, our team has scoured the neighborhoods to find the best cleaners near you. Our local cleaning experts take pride in their work, ensuring that every nook and cranny is spotless, leaving you with a home you can be proud of. Let's take a look at some jaw-dropping transformations. From cluttered kitchens to dusty bedrooms, our cleaners work their magic to restore order and cleanliness. We treat every home as if it were our own. Our goal is not just to clean, but to create a comfortable and inviting environment for our clients. Our cleaning experts are highly trained, reliable, and equipped with the latest cleaning techniques and eco-friendly products to ensure a healthy and safe environment for you and your loved ones. So, how can you experience the joy of a freshly cleaned home? It's as easy as 1 to 3. Step on, visit our website, Limpiar.online. Browse through our list of trusted local cleaners and read reviews from satisfied customers. Step 2. Choose your cleaner. Select a cleaning expert that fits your needs and schedule. Step 3. Book your cleaning. With just a few clicks, you can schedule a cleaning that works for you. Join the ranks of our happy customers who now have more time for family, friends, and the activities they love. Discover the best cleaners near you and reclaim your weekend.